Are you looking for the best impact wrenches? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best impact wrenches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit is a powerful tool designed to complete a wide variety of fastening applications with 1030 ft-lbs of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of max breakaway torque. The 4-mode speed settings and variable speed trigger increase user control in a variety of applications, while the precision wrench control helps prevent over-tightening and fastener run-off. The tool also features a shock-absorbing battery-to-tool connection, batteries sold separately, to reduce wear and tear on the battery, and an LED work light to illuminate dark workspaces. What we like: powerful torque performance, long-lasting lithium-ion battery, compact, ergonomic design, variable speed control, durable, solid construction. What we don't like: heavy for extended use, long shipping time from Mexico. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMCF 940M1 Impact Wrench. The CRAFTSMAN CMCF 940M1 Impact Wrench is a high-quality torque wrench that offers excellent performance and convenience. Equipped with a brushless motor, this wrench provides better runtime and efficiency, ensuring that you can complete your tasks with ease. With a maximum tightening torque of 700 ft-lbs and a breakaway torque of 1000 ft-lbs, this wrench is capable of handling even the toughest jobs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended use. The 3 speed settings and variable speed trigger allow for precise control, while the LED light illuminates dark workspaces, ensuring that you can work with accuracy and precision. The CRAFTSMAN CMCF 940M1 Impact Wrench is a versatile tool that is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What we like: great battery life, strong torque performance, sturdy and well-built, affordable price, versatile for various tasks. What we don't like: somewhat heavy. Number 3. Protmex 900 ft-lbs Cordless Impact Wrench. The Protmex Cordless Impact Wrench is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Its brushless motor operates quietly and offers 3 speed settings, allowing you to tackle various tasks with power and precision. With 2 4.0Ah batteries, you can work longer without frequent recharges, making it ideal for extended projects. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dark areas, ensuring you can easily see what you're working on. Whether you're removing rusty bolts or working in tight spaces, this tool provides the convenience you need for any job. What we like: high torque power, lightweight design, long battery life, great value for money, includes useful accessories. What we don't like: control panel issues, exaggerated performance claims. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. With a maximum fastening torque of 1030 ft-lbs and max breakaway torque of 1400 ft-lbs, the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench is designed to complete a wide variety of fastening applications. The on-tool LED work light illuminates dark workspaces, while the 4-mode speed settings and variable speed trigger increase user control in a variety of applications. The tool also features precision wrench control to help prevent over-tightening and fastener run-off. Additionally, the tool has battery guard technology to reduce wear and tear on the battery while you work. What we like: powerful performance, excellent breakaway torque, multiple speed settings, built-in LED light, durable for heavy tasks. What we don't like: somewhat heavy. Batteries may wear out quickly. Number 5. Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque Wrench. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Wrench is a powerful tool designed to meet your fastening needs. Its brushless motor provides an impressive 1,100 ft-lbs of fastening torque, making tough jobs easier. With the Auto Shut OFF feature, you can safely hand tighten without worrying about over-tightening, as it limits torque to just 50 ft-lbs. Additionally, the bolt removal control allows you to use full torque when loosening bolts, then automatically reduces speed to prevent dropping fasteners. This combination of features enhances efficiency and safety, helping you get the job done right. What we like: powerful performance, durable design, high torque settings, compact size for power, efficient battery usage. What we don't like: heavy for compact size, expensive without battery.